Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, unique and elegant category of hand embroidery designs. That is, you are guessing absolutely right. Right now you are seeing onto your screen very beautiful and elegant patterns of sleeve embroidery designs. These sleeve embroidery designs consist of various stylized patterns like floral embroidery, like a embroidery motif onto the sleeve, like borderline embroidery onto the sleeve border, and different stylized, easy, and beginner-friendly hand embroidery stitches that are specifically designed for designing your sleeves. And the beauty and creativity of this video is that you can equally use these very beautiful patterns of sleeves embroideries onto the designing of your jalebias, onto your abayas, onto your even onto your blouse sleeves, onto your different type of stylized patterns of shirts, kurti, top, frock, and any different type of other wear that is specifically designed for sleeves. So I hope that you are liking the design ideas and creativity of our today's video. If you really like the design, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. Up till then, explore my channel onto which I have shared thousands of design ideas of handwork and embroidery. Thank you so much once again.